Welcome to our channel.
We're Darius and Ocular Grant of DIY Power Couple.
In this video, we're going to show you how to patch concrete holes to prepare for vinyl plank flooring.
Home improvement.
With love.
We removed the carpet and underpad to see the condition of our concrete subfloor before installing the vinyl plank flooring.
There was a lot of adhesive and pieces of underpad stuck to the concrete, so we used a scraper and a 5-in-1 tool to remove it. Then we used a pry bar to remove the tack strips.
Tack strips are what hold carpets in place. This was our first time removing masonry nails from concrete, and some of them made little holes when they were pulled up.
This happened in the closet as well.
We'll link our other flooring videos in the description below.
Once we were done, we swept up the nails, pieces of underpad, and tack strips to get our concrete subfloor clean.
As you can see, there were holes around the entire room and closet area. At first, we weren't sure what to do, but then we found an easy fix.
We found a pre-mixed patch and level smoothing compound for concrete.
When we first opened it up, it was a little gritty, so we stirred it until it became smooth. Then we used a plastic putty knife to apply a thin coat to the concrete subfloor.
The large taping knife smoothed the compound over several holes at the same time.
The main reason why you should patch your holes is so the dips in the subfloor won't cause your tile to tilt, settle, or crack. It also helps with sound reduction when walking on your new vinyl plank flooring. Filling these holes was easier than we thought it would be. The great thing is that by doing this, you can improve the quality of how your vinyl planks are installed on the floor.
After a few hours, the compound dried and we checked to make sure the concrete was level.
Hey guys, we hope that this video helps you if you need to patch up holes in your concrete subfloor.
And now you're ready to install your vinyl plank flooring.
Here are some benefits.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too.
DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.